You can do a lot with simple transitions for a pro look if you follow the motion of your video. First, I will cut the clip down to a part right when he throws the punch and the camera shakes. Then I want to cut it apart in the second clip before he throws a punch to move with the transition. Right there will be perfect, as it will seem like one smooth motion once the transition is added. Now I will go to the transition tab and search for a shake transition. The shake left transition has a shake effect that will blend nicely. Add it into the project. Next, I will adjust the duration of the transition to lengthen it and make it smoother. Simple, clean, and easy to accomplish at any skill level. Now I will create a transition using a glare effect in a shot. First, I am going to cut at a part of the clip where the sun glares right into the camera. Then I will search for a flash transition in CapCut. I think the glare to transition will be perfect for this clip. I will also lengthen the duration of the transition to make it a smoother effect. This will make your videos look more professional. I want to make this transition from them walking to running more dynamic. First, I will find a nice transition to match their running to the left of the screen. The pass-through transition will go nicely. Now, I will zoom in on the clip a little so I can add some keyframes to create more motion to it. I will position the clip to pan from right to left in the keyframes. Add the keyframes to position it accordingly. I put a link to a keyframe tutorial in the description below. I will do the same to the other clip and add more right to left motion to track with their running in the clips. This will make the transition movement more dynamic and engaging. These transitions are very basic. What makes them dynamic and engaging is good timing and matching movements and lights within the clips themselves. These small things will help your videos stand out among others.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please take the time to like, comment and subscribe, as it helps us to further please our YouTube overlords. Check out more links in the description for continued assistance on your CapCut projects, and please keep your arms and legs inside the craft until it comes to a complete stop. Be sure to mind your headspace and watch your step as you exit. Failure to comply may result in serious injury or death. We will see you next time, Comet creators. End transmission.